This is Mick from Nexus Property Management, New Haven County at 2579 Whitney Avenue in Hamden, Connecticut. Here we have a 2 to 4 bedroom, single family home, and we'll start here in the kitchen. Newly renovated with lots of cabinet space. You see the black appliances. Small area for a dining set. Brings us to what would presumably be the living room, where we just started. You'll notice the hardwoods throughout. Heating in this home is forced hot air. Here's a closet space, nice and deep. Here's your bathroom. Medicine cabinet, towel rack. More storage. And now we get into the first of the potential bedrooms. As you'll note, I mentioned 2 to 4 bedrooms, as this is a very flexible space. The first room here on ground level. Yeah, nice deep closets in this home. There's a similar area on this floor that again could be a bedroom or an office. Right, in the way of the world today, so many people working from home. Right, this could really be a great 3-bedroom home, and this space would be a great office, a nice home office. There are an additional 2 bedrooms upstairs. While we're going up these stairs, I'll notice that downstairs there is a basement. That basement space is available for storage. There's also a washer and dryer that hooked up and ready to go. Here's the first the first bedroom on the second floor. Sticking with that theme, another nice deep closet. And the second bedroom on the second floor. And just to show, there's creative storage up here. Space behind that closet we just looked at is there as well. As a Nexus tenant, you'll be entitled to our online portal. You'll have access to that as well as 24/7 emergency services. And I just want to bring you to the backyard. Got a nice enclosed backyard here, as well as a driveway. And this is 2579 Whitney Avenue, Hamden, Connecticut.